Hello everyone, it's Yukoi again. The new year is coming. The old year has passed. I wish you all the best. Today I want to introduce to you an AI technology that can fully support cross-platform content creation, allowing you to enjoy creating content in seconds without having to think for hours. AI GravityWrite will help you solve the question, when will I solve posting quickly, without headaches. To access this AI, you can click on the link in the comments I pinned below or in the description. After accessing the interface, register an account with Gmail to access AI's account. Enter your Gmail address and click Sign Up. Then you enter your account name, password and verify your account at the mailbox to be allowed to log in to your account. Now that we have logged into this AI interface, let's take a look around to see what this AI has for us. Here we can see content creation assistant tools for YouTube platforms, email, advertising, e-commerce, copywriting tools, education, marketing tools, 3D animation creation, etc. Lots of tools and utilities for you. Corresponds to the previous list of applications. On the left is a column containing the utilities associated with each application, including the job of suggesting titles you need to aim for, suggesting content related to the title, writing articles for us, creating related images, SEO posting assistant, choosing hashtags. These jobs are isolated for each different platform. As you can see, I'm clicking on each category to see the content that this AI gives us to use. Here I will try to make an example of creating 3D animated video content for children. The first job is to come up with content ideas for the video. It's very easy in this area. Please enter the preliminary content you want to make a video here. You can see that after walking around, we realize that this AI is used to SEO standardize posted content for all platforms from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. It is very diverse. This can be considered an extremely useful tool that helps us shorten work time from writing ads, blogging, programming, and writing code. I want to create an animated content to motivate children, and I will enter this command in this tab. And then click on the Content Creation tab. In a few seconds, the suggested topics were quickly and diversely created for us to choose from, and I chose one topic to continue creating an outline for the video. Next, I select the tab to create content according to the topic I just selected. Here I will enter the title I need to make the video content. You can see how quickly this AI handles it. Please enter as many characters as the character's name needs to synchronize the story. As you can see, the processing is quite fast. It could take us hours to process this, but with this AI it counts in seconds. Recently I gave you preliminary instructions on how to use this AI. To optimize the tool and diversify content, you can register for each fee package according to the job you need to do to be able to use all the benefits of this tool. Here we have packages for beginners and packages for experts. And as you can see, it will greatly shorten content processing time, increase the number of videos per day for you, dominate keywords for your channel in all areas, and especially your income will increase accordingly. Okay, so today you have tested the effectiveness of this video tool with me. If you want to use it, I will send you a link to access the comment section or description to access this AI. This is the end of my video today. If the content is valuable, please give me a like button, share and subscribe to the channel.